Testing your local projects over HTTPS can be a real headache. ngrok, Cloudflare, and other tunneling tools work, but they can be slow, limited, or tricky to set up. What if there was an easier way? Developers constantly run into this, right? You want to test webhooks, APIs, or even maybe a client app locally over HTTPS, but setting up SSL, exposing your server, and dealing with temporary tunnels is frustrating and time consuming. That's where Tunnel.pyjam.as comes in. It's an open source tunneling tool that makes exposing your local server to the internet ridiculously easy. You get HTTPS support out of the box, it works instantly, and it even gives you the option to self-host if you want full control. In this video, we're going to look at a simple example of getting this up and running on your own project and just how simple it is. So I have the project website pulled up here, tunnel.pyjam.as, and it's going to tell you how to start a tunnel for your local service. So I have this Docker container running. It's a traffic whoami container. And all it does is it just echoes back the request headers. So you'll see that right now the host is localhost 32768, and it's listening on all of my IP addresses. So let's go ahead and just see how easy this is. Now you do need to have WireGuard installed for this to work. You can get that through any of the package managers for your distribution, or if you're on Windows or Mac, there's also installers for that as well. So I'm going to go ahead and run this curl command into this tunnel.conf file. And when we open this up, we'll see that this is pretty straightforward. It's just a basic WireGuard configuration. And we have this line in here that's telling us where the URL is. So in order to get this up and running, we're going to run sudo wg-quick up and pass it the path to the configuration file. And now it's going to give me this URL. And we'll go ahead and pull that up in my browser. And let me make this bigger. And you can see now that we have everything is working. So the host is jypzfe.tunnel.pyjam.as. And we see the remote address here is actually the address of the WireGuard server. So everything is working, and we were able to expose that. We can see the X forwarded for and all the headers that are passed through. So this is really great. You saw how quick that was. I didn't have to sign up for anything. There's no accounts. There's no API keys or anything like that you have to worry about, or any restrictions. Now you will notice, and this is secure over using Let's Encrypt. So if I look at the certificate here, this is a Let's Encrypt certificate that is assigned to tunnel.pyjam.as. Now, this part of the URL, the beginning part, is going to be dynamic every time. In the next video in my series here, I'm going to show you how to actually run this tool on your own home lab. You can actually host this yourself. If you look at the project on GitLab, which I'll put this link in the description, you need WireGuard and Caddy on your server, as well as Python. And you can see the tunnel.py file here, which is pretty straightforward. This is where all the magic happens. So again, in the next video, I'm going to walk you through actually getting this set up on your own self-hosted server and using your own domain. So hopefully you find that useful. Subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and let me know what types of videos you want to see from me. I love doing these walkthroughs and these demo type videos and sharing like these really cool tools and tips and tricks.